Ah, Yun, by the way, ma'am, good morning. My name is Paul Joseph Christian Butil, and I want to ask a permission to blur my background, and because that was too messy, and also I can't speak while standing because my space is limited. And yun, move on to the topic. Um, this one, this one is okay. And yun, uh, yeah, and game. Um, this is the topic I want to present to you. Um, the glass in aluminum. 5PJ Glass in Aluminum is our family business, and I want you to present this our family business to you. By the way, my name is Paul Joseph Christian Butil, and I am the one who managed of this company. And we are delighted to be here today to introduce to you our company and showcase how expertise in the glass and aluminum and can bring exceptional value to your next project. For the objective of this glass and aluminum, we showcase how we expertise capabilities and proposition in the glass and aluminum sectors. And it encouraged to have a new clients, partnerships, and also investment to have a big opportunities and also collaboration to the other company for projects and expansions. And for the showcase, comprehensive capability in designing, fabricating, and installing and high quality glass and aluminum supplies or materials. We did this we install use or we use in our projects. Excuse For the commitment to the operational excellence, we demonstrate our commitment to operate excellence, precision engineering, and adherence to the highest industry standards. Like for example, the MCI, they set some standards, we set a standard of the materials that we use in our company to make our clients satisfied. And for the next one, and the portfolio of successful project, um, illustrating how our expertise in delivering both aesthetic appeal and superior performance to make or to have example for the next clients like a brochure when they have a walk-in customer. We give a brochure to have an example of how we can do a project, how we can do the projects, example projects. And the next one is the competitive advantages. Our competitive advantages is including our service quality and also service quality and quality of materials. Like for example, like the famous in here in Caloocan, like the Stanza and Glass in Aluminum. Those are our distributor of materials. When it comes to the glass, uh, we order in the Stanza Glass in Aluminum, and for the for the for the aluminum, we order in the Glass Planet, because those companies big those companies big, and those are those of their materials is from the other country like China, etc. And for the next one is the developing presentation. Um, for the architects and general contractors, the homeowner are those are our audience. And for the general contractor, if you have this partner, they want uh they won't cause delay or issues because they have some schedules that uh they have some schedule uh they have some schedules to to want to is installation, precision, fabrication on site, support, adherence to schedules, competitive pricing, quality, material, safety, compliance, reliability of supply chain, and warranty also. And they want they need a partner who want cost delays or issues. And for the architects, um, they want flexibility and aesthetic pro options, technical specification, and material innovation, customization capabilities. Like for example, those glasses that you see in the big hotels. Those are uh, those glasses customized. And for the purpose the of this presentation, it serves to solidify our reputation as a leading innovator and trusted provider of the high performance glass and aluminum solution in Metro Manila and in Metro Manila or Caloocan also, and emphasizing our commitment to give you a quality service, and also the materials and sustainability, exceptional client satisfaction within the architecture and construction industries. And for the integrity, consistently doing the right thing even when no one is watching. And it means being honest, transparent, and accountable in every facet of our business, from the initial consultation to the project completion and beyond. And for our integrity is evident in the quality of our materials we source. We never compromise on using only certified high-grade glass and aluminum, ensuring that safety, durability, and performance of every installation. And for the precision gathering, actually this 5PJ glass and aluminum is our family business. And when it comes to the materials and also service, we use a standard and quality and also high quality of aluminum for their projects. And for the legal papers, we have BIR, what do you call this? BIR, DTI permits, and business permits from the from the LG of Caloocan. And also, by the way, this company is working when it is start in 2006 when I was 6 years old until now. And my father was the founder of this company. And until now, we operate this. So our company is is subok na. And this is our our calling card. If you want to visit us, or if you want to if to want a quotation or something, you can call this number. This number, that's also a number of my father, and here is our physical store in the Third Avenue in Caloocan City, and that's all. Thank you. I hope that you learn a lot from my business presentation. Thank you.